well-structured field to start your career with. But before taking the commerce field, check out all the professional courses you can do after 12th. So yeah, this is Ayushi Jain. Welcome back to my channel Fix Your English with Ayushi. This video is going to be about the career guidance for the students who are pursuing a commerce stream after class 12th. So yeah, without further ado, let's start the video. Before moving on into the video, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to my channel, hit the bell icon, and don't forget to share this video to everyone. Let's start the video. The various career options for students after class 12th in commerce stream is: the first career option for the student is Bachelor of Commerce, that is BCom. It is an undergraduate degree for about 3 years, and you can do specializations in subjects like accountancy, statistics, management, human resource, computer, economics, etc. After doing BCom, you can opt for any private sector job or public sector job, or you can go for higher studies like MBA and MCom, and you can also go for government jobs as well. Next career option for the students is Bachelor of Law, that is LLB. This program entails the study of subjects like family law, company law, criminal law, corporate law, constitutional law, property law, administrative law, etc. Is one of the best professional career choices after pursuing class 12th in commerce stream. The next career option for the student is Cost and Management Accountant, that is CMA. Just like a CA course, it is one of the most professional courses that is provided by the Institute of Cost Accountants of India. CMA is one of the most or best career option in for students after doing their 12th in commerce stream. You have to study the subjects like cost and management accounting, fundamentals of commercial and industrial laws and ethics, etc. The next career option for the students is chartered accountancy, that is CA. Chartered accountancy or CA is one of the famous and most or best career options after 12th commerce. The overall difficulty level of CA course is much more higher than the basic bachelor courses. CA is one of the most highest payable jobs in the market field. The subjects included in this course are accounting, cost accounting and financial management, taxation, auditing and assurance, business laws, information technology, ethics and communication, strategic management, corporate and other laws, etc. Next career option for the students is Bachelor of Business Administration. Yeah, it is one of the best career option for students after class 12th. It is 3-year undergraduate program which tells or which in which you study the basics of business and administration. After doing BBA, you can opt for Masters in Business Administration, that is MBA. Next career option for students is Company Secretary, that is CS. Unlike the CA certification, the CS or Company Secretary course is under the Institute or Administration of Institute of Company Secretaries of India, ICSI. It will earn the applicants senior level positions in corporate administrations or organizations. It is one of the most attractive commerce courses available. The next career option for students is journalism and mass communication. Yes, you can do journalism and mass communication, which is around undergraduate course of 3 years, in which you can study the subjects like print media, print journal relations and corporate communication, event management, Indian polity, etc. The next career option for students is Bachelor of Economics. It is one of the most liked professional course, which is 3-year undergraduate course, in which you can get specialization in subjects like microeconomics and macroeconomics, econometrics, statistics, history of economics, political economy, etc. So yeah, that was all for today. Hope you enjoyed this video. If you had, then don't forget to like this video, subscribe to my channel, hit the bell icon, and don't forget to share this video to everyone. And at last, I want to say to students that choose your career according to your interest, and all the very best.